Namaskar, I am Dr. Dani Karmakar. I am from India. I am a theatre director, actor, and playwright. I have 20 years' experience in this field. Since Indian theatre has an ancient tradition, Bharata's Natya Shastra, the ancient text of theatre, was written here a few thousand years ago. The ancient book of acting education, Abhinay Darpan, was written. It is here that dramatic personalities like Rabindranath Tagore, Girish Chandra Ghosh, Shishir Kumar Bhaduri, Girish Karnad, Badal Sarkar, Habib Tanvir, Ibrahim Alkazi, Ratan Thia, H. Kanhailal, and others were born. This is where the ancient Sanskrit theatre Kodiyattam, classical Indian dance Kathakali, and the traditional folk theatre like Jatra, Tamasha were present. So, one great theatrical tradition is present here. One of the legacies of this proud tradition is those of us who are working now. But modern Indian theatre is very critical condition during Corona pandemic. On the one hand, the theatres are closed for a long time due to lockdown and government rules. There are various restrictions on all types of performing arts, including theatre, music, dance, and puppet. The aid that used to come from the government has also become irregular and inadequate. As a result, the financial and mental condition of the people involved in the theatre industry has deteriorated. Big budget production companies have collapsed. Many groups are not in a position to do regular shows and advertisement by spending a lot of money. There are so many theatre companies and millions of artists associated with it. Not only that, there are a huge number of freelancer technicians and actors out there. Everyone has lost their work. As a result, they are living in misery. Many of them are now associated with other professions. Some are selling fish, some are involved in food delivery. Most of the theatre groups here rely on some form of government or private sponsorship. Basically, their condition is very bad. They have to be very aware of shows, advertisement, reviews throughout the year. However, there are amateur theatre artists whose theatre patrons are members of that group. In their case, however, the matter is a little different. In this lockdown, many companies are organizing various events digitally in a short time. Some are organizing online seminars, theatre festival, acting competitions, although that enthusiasm has waned somewhat this year compared to last year. Our group, Robindranagar Natyayud, took a pioneering role in this regard last year. Last year, famous theatre groups from 11 countries of the world, including Italy, Spain, Russia, Greece, Pakistan, Nepal, Bangladesh, Israel, participated with their dramas, movies, puppets, mime throughout the month at International Virtual Theatre Festival, which was highly acclaimed by theatre practitioners around the world. We organized several online seminars, acting competitions. Even the artists were rewarded with money. We helped the artists financially, although this time the situation is very serious. Our group works regularly and very actively throughout the year, holds a traditional Dom Dom International Theatre Festival every year, where already renowned drama troupes from the world, including West Indies, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bangladesh, and even from different states of India, participated. We don't know what the nature of the motion of our theatre will be in the future. Although I have high hopes that the theatre will be operational again, but its nature and process may be somewhat different. But all will be well because there is happiness as opposite to suffering. This time, artists have started giving importance to alternative genres, are building the stage in their own space. This is a good sign for theatre. So we have nothing to despair about that. All will be well. Stay healthy. Thank you.